Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Accent brake light bulb. Pop the trunk, remove the trunk light access panel, disconnect the socket, twist the bulb counterclockwise, and replace with a matching bulb. Wear gloves to avoid oil on the bulb, test the light before reassembling, and secure the panel back in place. I'll explain common bulb types, tools needed, and quick troubleshooting tips for a lasting fix. Start by gathering basic tools: a flat screwdriver, gloves, and a replacement bulb that matches your Hyundai Accent spec. Inspect the bulb socket and wiring for corrosion or damage, and carry a small flashlight for visibility. When replacing, avoid touching glass with bare fingers and tighten the socket securely, but do not overforce it. I'll walk you through identifying bulb codes, testing sockets with a multimeter, and choosing the right spare for peace of mind. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support future car tips. Quick recommendation: try leak-proof meal prep containers for tidy trunk snacks and easy cleanup. They seal well and save messes. They're perfect for carrying tools or parts without spills, and they stack neatly in a glove box or trunk organizer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Open the trunk and locate the brake light housing access panel behind the light assembly. Pry off the panel carefully using a flat screwdriver or your hands, then reach in and twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it. Pull the old bulb straight out, insert the new bulb until seated, and turn clockwise to lock the socket. Test the brake light with a helper or by lightly applying the brake pedal before closing the trunk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.